Samsung Galaxy F55 5G. So let's start with this mobile's price range, because this mobile is available in three variants with three different price tags. The base variant 8GB RAM 128GB variant was available at 28,999, almost 29,000 rupees. And the next variant is 8GB RAM to 56GB internal storage variant that was available at 31,500 rupees. And the final and the top end variant is 12GB RAM to 56GB. This was available with the price tag of 34,999, almost 35,000 rupees. And let's move on to this mobile's features. Let's first start with the, as always, display specifications. It comes with the standard 6.7 inches of Super AMOLED Plus resolution. Super AMOLED Plus 120Hz refresh rate display, which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass. It is a 1000 nit supported brightness display. When we move on to the processor, this mobile comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. Now if I say 5G, we need to know about the 5G bands, right? In India, it comes with the 13 5G bands. So let's move on to the display to the camera section. It comes with the triple cameras at the back side, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization, and 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle and 2 megapixels of macro. For the front, it comes with a huge camera that is the same as back camera, 50 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera, yes. And this mobile comes with a huge battery that is a 5000 milliamp hour battery. As always, it supports the standard Samsung's 45 watts of charge through wire. It doesn't come with any wireless or reverse wireless charging features. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the latest One UI. And this mobile is coming with the Samsung is promising for this mobile, it will give the Android updates of 4. Samsung promising that this mobile will get Android updates like up to 4 years, and the security updates up to 5 years. And this mobile is coming with a leather back. This mobile is available in two colors. Those are apricot, Ryzen, and black. Another. I will leave a link to buy this mobile in the description box directly from the Flipkart, so you can directly buy it from there in the two colors. And let's talk about this mobile's other features. Like it comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, and accelerometer, and compass, everything. And this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6 dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.2 a bit. And the biggest plus point in this mobile, I think, that is this mobile comes with a hybrid SIM slot. That means you can use either 2 SIM cards at a time or 1 SIM card with 1 micro SD card. So that is a plus point, I think, for the people who takes videos and keeps a lot of stuff in their mobile. And you can expand up to 1 terabyte, yes. And this mobile doesn't come with any IP68 water and dust resistant like the other mobiles at this price range. And so this is all about this mobile. And I have also made videos about my Moto Edge 50 Fusion, as well as Google Pixel 8a and a lot of other mobiles. I will leave a link to those in the description box as well as here in this icon section, so you can directly buy it from there. And that's it for the video, and subscribe and share this video to others who are interested.